Sniper, let's get it. Okay, what is going on, everyone? Thanks for joining us this morning. Sorry for running a couple minutes late. Let's take a look at SPY. Okay, so pretty much what I thought was going to happen, we would open up in the 430 range, 431 range. In the pre-market, we have 430 support, okay, and we have the gap fill support. So I'm going to be watching this. SPY previously closed yesterday at 430.21. So all eyes are going to be at 430 and 430.21. These are the levels that if we reject, there's going to be big downside. And if we make confirm support, there's going to be upside potential on that as well. The upside potential, where are we? 1 second. Sorry, I had like a halo ring light right in front of my monitor. So yeah, 431.46. I'm going to be paying close attention to because this was a previous floor from yesterday before we broke it. So this is a level I'm going to be watching. If we end up making 431.46 support, we're probably going to rip to the 432.50s to 433.50s in this dollar range between these two channels, this yellow line and this line right here. Those are the levels I'm going to be watching. 433.53 looks like one of the best levels to do puts at because there was a big resistance from yesterday. Previous floor, resistance, big sell-off potential. So small accounts, cash accounts, if we're able to get this high, that's going to be the best level. But we have a bunch of overhead resistance, okay? Right now we're at the 200 EMA on the 5-minute time frame, as well as our key level 431.46 right there. So depending on where we open, whether we reject that at open or we start rejecting from it now, that's what I'm going to be paying attention to. First reaction for calls, I like calls at 429.25 if we don't get a rejection from 430. Like if we were to just break under 430, I would be interested in calls around 429.25s. And even the first reaction to 430 and the gap fill, I will probably be hitting calls here. All right, so that's what I'm going to be paying attention to this morning. We're just in a tight range right now, man. So there's not too many levels to be dealing with. We can go through some lower levels if you guys would like. I'll just put them up on my screen so you guys could see what I see. So after 430, I'll type them in the chat for you guys, okay? So we got 430. After 430, it's 429.25. And then it's going to be a big level is going to be 428.45. And then after that, it's going to be 427.90. And then 427.31. And the biggest one is going to be 426.96. Okay, I just wrote that in the YouTube comments. I will put this to the Discord. Give me 1 second. I don't necessarily have a trading plan for today. I'm just going to be showing and sharing my key levels. Yesterday we are set up nicely, and so I can have a confirmed trading plan. When it comes to today, I'm just going to give the key levels and be watching the price action. Key levels today. So we got 431.46, 430. Okay. So yeah, when it comes to the upside potential, guys, I don't see it going that high today. I think between 431 46, like right here, if the market was open right now, guys, I would be in puts heavily right now, right? Because this is the level I wanted to get puts at, because you see how this was a previous support. We made a resistance. We gapped down. We came back up. We're coming to it. This is going to be the first area for a nice pullback. Is the previous floor. And this is what I mean by floor. You see how all these candles just have wicks at my key level, and they all closed above the key level. All these candles closed above. You see these wicks? That is a floor. That's what you want to be looking for, guys. Floors and roofs, the same thing. I'll show you another one. 433.53. You see how it was a previous floor, and now look at the roof. Look at the wicks, right? This is what I mean when a floor and a roof, right? A floor and a roof. You want to be able to tell when SPY is creating these, right? Because it's going to make your trading a lot better. Because people tend to get overly bullish or overly bearish in a big move, and when we retrace, then they switch and they start going with the trend. But this is where the trend could be stopping at or reversing at previous floors and roofs. So make sure you pay close attention to that. It's pretty much common sense, but if you're not paying attention to it, you could get messed up in there. But this was the best level that I've seen so far for puts, 431.46. I really do like puts exactly where we are right now. But we'll wait to see what happens. Okay, my next level is going to be 432.59. So if it's not puts here, it's probably going to be puts up here for a snipe. Remember, guys, I'm sniping like 10, 20-ish cents. If you want more out of the play, you just sell half and let your other half ride for break even. That's also a great idea. But what I usually do, guys, is I hit with size and I just get out. And I also do that for my losses too, right? We just get in and out very quickly. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. That's my game plan. I'm going to be hopping over to Discord Live now. I hope you guys all have a great day. Remember, take profits quick, guys, and leave green. Thank you for your support. And if you'd like to be part of the Daily Sniper, guys, the link is in the bio. Thank you.